Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to reading my text. The title is Looking at the Link Between Parents' Educational Backgrounds and Student English Achievement. So let me begin. Education is essential for the development of society. The more educated the people of society are, the more civilized and well-disciplined the social may be. Education is also primary need in this era of globalization. Education gives insight, growth, and the personality, includes the moral values, adds knowledge, and provides skill for people who will live in very competitive society. In every field, highly qualified people are needed. However, there are several studies focusing on the problem of education in Indonesia, included Mukmin Lestari, Afifa Rahmadani, and Hendra 2017, and Musyadat 2013, who agree that there are some problems of education in Indonesia, including curriculum, budget, quality, purpose, and education, national examinations, and learning facility. The kinds of the problem have influenced the quality of education both in national and international level. For example, about science 2995, Indonesia has taken first consideration in every round of trends in international mathematics and science study. The results have not been satisfactory. Of 338 countries participant, Indonesia ranked the 34 and 31 at 32 in the math and the science respectively. In 2003, problem in math increased to 411, while the science scores leveled. The result of Indonesia participant in GMES have implemented the quality of education shall become the responsibility of all parties, including the government, school, and family. Family is one of the important factors in supporting the education of their children. As a unit of society, the family is absolutely a major socializing agent, so that is important determining the child motivation to achieve success. Finally, family has responsibility for socializing children, for making them productive members of society. The more parents are involved, the process imparting education their children. Parents' education background refer to parents' high education. That means the high level of education attained by parents. International Standard Classification of Education has a group 9 level of education. They are education, post-secondary, non-tertiary education, short cycle tertiary education, backward or equivalent level. So highly educated parents have greater success in providing their children with the cognitive and language skill that contributes to early success in the school. In terms of assessment, Algebret and Deci 2001, they state that its assessment is the competence of the person in relation the domain of knowledge. Additionally, Sukmadineta thought that assessment of students could be seen from the mystery of the subject that they have taken up. So claim that educated parents often get a better job. Thus, with their income, they are better prepared to give educational material for their children. In other words, they suggest that students manage to support their learning with good educational material because they have parents who can provide them with educational supporting materials that they need, including learning English. Methodology, research design, and participant. In study, we use correct rational approach to find out the link between parents' education backgrounds and student English assessment. The first produce was we identify the parents' education background by using educational background questionnaire, and second produce was we gave the student test of TOEFL, and 108 senior high school students were involved in this study. The data were collected through a parent's educational background questionnaire and English test. And data collection and analysis. So in this study, we use a question and test instrument to gather the data concerning to obtain the information about parents' educational backgrounds. We use the questionnaire from UNESCO, which was updated by Apriana 2015. The questionnaire consisted of the parents' educational background, which was related to parents' higher education. The consumer asked about the level education of father and mother of higher students. Its current parents' educational background, the student indicated one of their parents' educational background level, including early childhood education, primary education, lower secondary education, upper secondary education, and something like that. The purpose of the TOEFL junior test is to provide objective measure of the degree to which students in the target population have attained proficiency in the academic and social English language skill. In terms of correction and regressions, it was necessary to know whether the data were normal for each variable and linear between two variables. In the study, numerical test was used to find whether the data educational background questionnaire and TOEFL junior test were not. Finding and discussions. Parents' educational background and student English assessment. 108 students participated in the study. Their description sexual analysis of parents' educational background for the participant indicate that the maximum score was 8 and low score was 1. The mean score of parents' educational background for the participant was 55 and start definition wise 2,188. The means indicates the level parents' educational background of the participant in short cycle term education or D2 or D3. It was revealed that from questions there is 9 level of parents' educational backgrounds well presented. The student with different numbers. Primary educational or elementary school was less present level, bachelor, and equivalent level was the most present for both father and mother educational background categories. The ratio numberability test, lengthy test. The data were interpret number of means that data were not normal. Conversion mode was used to see normality. Collection between parents' educational background and student English assessment. Based on the person product moments correction comments, the result indicate that the pattern of correction between parents' educational background and student English assessment was positive. The correction compliment order of type was higher and reptile. Then the level of probability signature was 8 minute, and the details are following. So, influence of parents' educational background on study English assessment. The result indicates that parents' educational background influence student English assessment significantly, and value was lower than probability. Therefore, there was a significant influence between parents' educational background towards students' English assessment. The details are there. So the formator, the more education the parents, they are more are able to pass along the educates and help their children excel in the school. Parents with little or no education may find it's very difficult to understand or help their children in area of education. For example, Selvan 2013 states the parents with a higher level of education are also more likely to believe strongly in their abilities to help their children learn. Highly educated parents have greater success in providing their children with the cognitive and language skills that contributes to early succession. Also, Gultameta, Gokhar, and Berhan 2012 argued that the education parents have more attention the facility used by the children related background was a good English competence generally prepare the children to face globalization with good English person. They will help learning English by doing many ways such as providing their children with facilities or paying private tutors. Furthermore, the result of the present study is also in agreement with the findings of Priana 2015 assessment, even though the correct correlation was not strong. In addition, Ardila Rosali, Mature, and Guardo 2005 indicate that there are significant addition between the parents' educational level and student test performed. So, the conclusion of this article is the current study emphasizes the correlation between parents' educational background and student English assessment at one senior high school in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. Based on the result of the present study, we found that parents' educational backgrounds were significantly correlated with students' English assessment with the RA20. The category of correlation was fair. Additionally, the linear regression analysis showed that parents' educational background is significantly influenced the dependent variable, students' English assessment. In short, the total contribution of parents' educational background has student English assessment showed a significant link, although the contribution was small, suggesting that the weirder factor and that could contribute their student English adjustment, so as school, teachers, friends, and environment. So, okay, that's all my text. Thank you for your watching. So sorry if I do a mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.